All right, boys, day 2. Hungover as shit. Hungover as shit. I'm feeling good right now.
I feel good too.
I feel great.
That is cap. Energy is everything.
You feel good? Holy, bro. We had an outing last night. I wish I caught it on. I was too busy, bro. I wish I caught it on the GoPro. Yeah, that would be crazy. Man, I'm gonna GoPro all these nights.
Yeah.
But I'm trying, bro. Like, it's hard if you're fucking, if you're sauced, bro. Like, what?
Yeah, that's true. You need to get a fucking head top.
Yeah.
Sports GoPro.
Sports. Oh, I have a head.
Or you get the chest one.
I have that too. I have both.
You have it with you?
Yeah. So why do you think I'm gonna run a chest thing in the club, bro?
Yes, bro.
Anyways, this is
People love that, bro.
That's how the club would look like. Yeah, but we're on day 2, man. So day 2, man. Let's get it. Shit, I didn't even put cream on my skin. What the fuck? I'm ashy and shit. But yeah, let's get it, man. We still gotta put in that work. You know what I'm saying? Still gotta put in that work. Right, fam? Sure. Low key, I wanna be poolside right now, but these guys wanna work out. Okay, let's work out. Yes, sir. Okay. Do you feel a little bigger? Ready? Okay. Yeah, hit that shit, boy. Hit that shit. Not squirt, dog. Cheers, my guys. Cheers. Night 2, yo.
Big night.
Let's get it. Don Julio's tequila nights now. Yes, sir.
Cheers, yo.
Get it. We'll see. Water still. Agua.
I'll eat this in 1 minute, guys.
Oh, you'll definitely eat that in 1 minute.
This is amazing.
Let me see your meal. Let me see that meal on. Gracias. Why are you looking like that, bro? Gracias.
Some Parmesan too?
You look like a Parmesan, my guy.
I got Parmesan on my arm.
Yo, we had know about it. We had know
you.
about it.
You know, you're from Markham, dog.
Yo.
I don't even know if you're from Markham. You're from Nightlife. Off the resort vibes, wearing sunnies, bro. It's crazy. In the dark,
I can barely see.
like, barely see if the shorty burst or not. Shorty could be hella burst.
Here, baby.
I'm vlogging now, yo. We're vlogging now. Time is crazy.
Delete it when I eat it. We want freedom, yeah. Something that you need to have. And when she leave your ass, you don't leave it half. 18 years, and on the 18th birthday, found out